Welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. So today I'm going to be announcing that I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. I'm so excited. So what Vlogmas is, in case this is the first time you're hearing it, is it's a trend here on YouTube, and basically you put up a video or vlog, a video blog, every day until Christmas, starting on December 1st. So essentially there should be 25 videos in December. Basically December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way till Christmas. Some people do it all through the month, but the most popular is just to do it up until Christmas. So I'm finally going to go ahead and do it. It's going to be challenging for sure because you have to upload every single day. At least film a video for every single day. And so it's going to be quite stressful, but I love Christmas and I love watching Vlogmas videos. So I finally decided that I wanted to go ahead and do it this year. So I'm crossing my fingers that I don't miss a video and then I actually get the 25 videos up. So I'm so excited. Let me know down below if you guys are excited too. So I'll be kicking off my Vlogmas with a Christmas home tour. So I'm going to be showing you guys this entire house here of mine, all decorated for Christmas, because that's one of my favorite videos to watch is Christmas home tours. So just looking at all the decor and the Christmas trees and all that good stuff. So today I'll be showing you guys my living room and my kitchen and dining room area, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so you walk in and this is what you see. The Christmas tree is on the right here, and we have our living room, fireplace, and I gave Daisy a bone in the crate just so that I can film this video real quick. So she has a little bully stick in there. Say hi, Daisy. Say hi. Aww, like your bully stick. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with our Christmas tree. So this is a 7.5 foot tree, I believe, from Target. It's pre-lit. We've had it for a couple years now. I want to have a flock tree one day, but this is what we have so far. So on the top is a star. I believe it's from Target, and it's really cute. It can stay lit like that, or it can be multicolored, or it could be flashing as well. So I think it's gorgeous, just really pretty silver and clips on the top. The ribbon on there is from the 99-cent store. It's silver and gold. I have about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not perfectly put up there, of course, but I think it adds a little touch. And then most of the normal plain looking ornaments are from Walmart, and then the other ones are normally from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, and a couple of them are from Walmart. I'll show you some up close. So like these gold and silver ones, these are all from Walmart. This was one that I picked up this year from Dollar Tree. This was like a gold one that I picked up from the 99-cent store. The silver one, I think it's from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree a couple years ago. I believe a pack from Walmart. 99-cent store this year. I think maybe from Target or Hobby Lobby. The gold one is from 99-cent store. So the whole theme is silver and gold. And I really love it. The tree skirt, I believe, is from Target last year. So it's really cute and adorable. I love the way that it looks at night. This is really sparkly and so cute. So on this side, I just moved the chair over here. It used to be over where Daisy's crate is, but we got her, of course, about a month ago. So we moved her over there. We originally had this right there in the corner, but then when we put the Christmas tree up, we moved this over here. So it looks pretty cute. We just have these 2 silver pillows. The silver pillow is from the dollar section at Target this year, and it was in the Christmas section. Then I have that little faux fur on top of there. This looks like snow, and then this other silver pillow that I believe is from like Ross or something like that. And I also moved this over here that says home is our happy place, just to keep it simple. So right over here in the corner, I love this little section. So I already had the little silver pot with little flowers. The flowers I believe are from Michael's, and then the pots I believe is from Tuesday Morning. This Noel sign was a really cute find last year from Dollar General. I believe it was only a few bucks. That frame is from Tuesday Morning, I believe, with a picture from our wedding. I have that faux fur white tree. I believe it was from the dollar section a couple years ago. And then I have that Bath & Body Works candle. It's the cinnamon spiced vanilla candle from White Barn. So I love the marble look, and this whole section just makes me so happy. And I just really love the way this entire corner looks. Now when I want to get cozy, I love going right here with the blanket. Thinking about the Christmas tree and the candle, it just makes me really happy. So now we're over here in the living room. Sorry, the lighting is a little weird. There's like a shadow in the room. But we'll start over on the ottoman. So right here we just have these two silver and gold Christmas trees. They're from the dollar section a couple years ago from Target. I just think they're super adorable. You can see in this video I love gold and silver and glitter. And then over there is a Christmas, what is it? A snow globe. My husband gave it to me for Christmas last year because he knows I love bears. So this is what it looks like, and it makes me so happy. So I absolutely love that. And I just already have those flowers there. Our remote controls for the Xbox and the TV and everything are on that stand on the ottoman. I haven't found any Christmas pillows that are like silvery and gold that I love. So if you guys have any recommendations on where to find them, let me know. But yeah, this is just my normal setup. Sorry, it's a little messy. Daisy loves going on the couch, unfortunately. So then over on this section is another little area I love. This is Bella's little cat hammock. We have our lamp here, and then we have these two silver and gold cone trees, which I love. Also from the dollar section at Target, I want to say like 3 years ago. And then we have this white bear that is so cute, and it's also from Target, as well as this bear on the bottom. You guys, we love bears. So now we're at the fireplace. You can see me in the reflection, hello. And so we just did something nice and simple this year. So I have these two candlesticks I've had for probably a year or so. I believe they're from like Tuesday morning or something. I've had those candlesticks. Then I got that little pine, little glittery accent from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Then to the left I have the little gray and white Santa, which is so cute. I got that from the Dollar General I think it was last year. And I think it's so cute the way it's just sitting on the mantle. And then we got our stockings, I believe, from Target. So we have 4 stockings this year instead of 3. So we have these two. So the C's for Christian, my husband. D's for me, Devin. And then those two there, it says D and B. You can't really see, but that's B as well. So B for Bella, D for Daisy. So we have all 4 of our stockings on there. I got the little stocking holders from the 99-cent store a few years ago. And I went back this year to try and find a 4th one. And I couldn't find any. So I just put Daisy and Bella's together on the middle one. So 2 are silver, 1 are gold, so it works well. And then I have a candle from the dollar section at Target that's like cabin woods right there. So this wreath and these 2 snowflakes I actually found at a local thrift store this year. These 2 actually still have their tags on them. So I was so grateful. You can tell they hadn't been used. They originally were like $15 or something like that. I think like $14.99 each. So I got them both for $5, I believe. And then, so they're just like silvery and white, and I just hung them on either side, which I really, really love. And then the wreath, I believe I got for like $14. And with all the bulbs matching my color scheme, I couldn't resist. And I went ahead and just put this silver, let me scoot it up a little bit. There you go. That silver mirror behind the wreath, which I really like the look of it. Just makes it look more big and grand and makes it feel more open. So the whole mantle I just love. Nothing crazy this year. I still hate the little wires that are sticking out, but we just haven't gotten around to get them hidden yet because we can't do it ourselves. So yeah, of course, it's perfect. We already tried the fireplace out and it is so awesome. Again, there's Daisy, her crate, her bed, her water bowl. We also moved these 2 paintings over here since the Christmas tree's on the left. And then we just have this little silver reindeer that was from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the snowflakes close up. They look so expensive. I'm like obsessed with them. There is the wreath. That is, oh, it's a White Woods Cabin candle. These are the snowflakes again, and our cute little stockings, which make me so happy again. Mr. Santa Claus. So now we're over in the dining room. I love this area. You can see it goes really well with the decor over there, which I'll go over in a second. But it's nice and simple this year. I'll show you up close. I got this silver little centerpiece mat that's glittery as all get out. And I got it from, I believe, Marshall's or Ross. And then I got this little arrangement. It's technically supposed to be hung on the door, but I like the way it looked on the table. And I believe I got it from Walmart last year or the year before that. I want to say actually now, it's probably a couple years ago. So that's what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I love the little snow on it. Up here, I have a little baby wreath. I don't know if you can tell. Let me go on this side. So yeah, there's the centerpiece. And then we have the wreath up there in front of the chandelier. So this is what it looks like close up. Just a little wreath I got from the dollar section at Target a couple years ago. So over here, I love this little section. It's just the entry to my kitchen. I have this little painting that says Joy to the World. Actually, one of my friends made it for a White Elephant gift exchange, and I got it because I loved it. And I cannot believe that she made that. She's so talented. Over here, I have this silver bowl that was like on clearance at like TJ Maxx or something with these pine cones that I believe I got from Big Lots a couple years ago. And then I have this little pine tree, Christmas tree with a little burlap on the bottom that I believe was from the Target section or the dollar section at Target. I don't know. I think that's where I got it from. So yeah, it just looks super cute. That's all I really have in the kitchen area. Okay guys, that is my home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure to click that post notification bell if you're not already as well, because especially for Vlogmas, you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video, which should be every day, but I don't know exactly what time every day, so I can't really tell you guys since I don't know how long it's going to take to edit every night. But if you click the post notification bell, you'll get notifications sent directly to your phone as soon as it's live. But yeah, the first Vlogmas video is over. I'm so excited for the next one, so stay tuned and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.